What's up, Social Cam? Madison, what's going down right now, sweetheart? Come here. Tell me what's happening, honey. Tell me.
In water.
Where?
And I just
Where?
right here.
Oh, right there? And what's happening?
I put my foot on one and it wasn't gonna pop up.
All right, get in there. Let's see. Show us. Show the crowd. Show us. What do you mean? Rihanna. Rihanna, what's going down right now, honey? We're social camming.
We're splashing in the water. It's so much fun.
Who are you with?
Dad.
Yeah. All right, get right in the middle there and see if what happens. How's it going, Maddie? Rihanna, how's it going, honey?
Get in the middle, Maddie, right here. Maddie. Madison, look.
All right, Madison. Madison, come here. What happened, honey? It didn't blow up.
I jumped over one, but last time, the first time I did it, I put my foot on one, and then it flew all over my shorts, and it got soaking wet.
Okay, but it's not happening now, so I guess we're going to have to say goodbye to the camera. It didn't explode in your face, so blow the camera kiss.
Bye.
Good girl.
It
What's
got
going
wet.
It did? Let me see. Where? Oh, my gosh. It did. It got you a little thing. It got you wet, Brianna. All right, Brianna, say goodbye to everybody.
Bye-bye.